Welcome to the deep dive. So, you know that feeling when you find a tool online and it promises something that seems, well, almost impossible?
Yeah, too good to be true.
Exactly. Today we're digging into one of those, Spynger.net. It claims it can give you complete stealth access to a phone. We're talking calls, texts, social media, location, all of it.
And all without the other person ever finding out. That's the big hook.
That is the big hook. It's so tempting. But our mission here really is to take the investigation you shared with us and figure out what's really going on. Is this a legit service or is it just a very polished-looking scam?
Well, anytime a service offers something this powerful while also being super anonymous, your alarm bell should be going off. The whole appeal is the stealth mode, right?
Yeah.
But we need to look at the stealth of the company.
Right. So where do we start?
Let's start with what users see first, the public perception.
Okay, so if you go to their website, the first thing you'll see is just a wall of 5-star reviews. They look amazing.
They look perfect, glowing, completely legitimate. You'd think, okay, this platform is flawless.
But that's not the whole story, is it?
Not even close. That's the first layer of trust they try to build. The investigation looked outside their little ecosystem, and the picture changes fast. On Trustpilot, for example, it has a 3.2-star rating.
Which sounds kind of mediocre, not terrible.
It does, until you see it's based on only one review, a single one-star review.
Wow, okay, so the real dirt is somewhere else.
It's on places like Reddit. That's where you see the real frustration. We found tons of reports from people getting charged for services they never even signed up for.
Like what?
Things like being pushed into these expensive upgrades automatically, or getting hit with multiple charges on their card for the same thing.
And customer service just fixes it.
That's the worst part. Every single refund request was apparently just ignored. The advice from people who got burned was, like, unanimous. Just stay away.
So that brings up the obvious question. Who is this company that's taking everyone's money?
Exactly. When you pivot from the user experience to the company itself, the anonymity is just, it's staggering.
I saw this in the notes. It's so weird. They have absolutely no social media presence.
None. No Instagram, no Twitter, no Facebook. For a modern tech company, that's not just unusual. It feels like they are actively hiding from any kind of public accountability.
And it doesn't stop there, right?
No, it goes right to the top. There is zero information about the founders, no names, no photos, not even a basic About Us page on the whole site.
So you're sending your money and data to basically a ghost.
A complete ghost. And when you put that together with all the complaints about payment issues, it becomes a really big red flag.
It's fascinating, though, how they try to make you feel safe. They have that live chat feature, and they say they offer email support.
Right. They give you the illusion of support. The investigation tested that live chat, and it's all automated.
So there's no real person on the other end?
Nope. It just spits out pre-written answers. So if you have a simple question, maybe it helps. But if you have a real problem, like, why did you charge my card 3 times? You're trapped. There's no one there to actually help you.
So let's sum this all up for everyone listening. When you add it all together, the misleading reviews on their own site, the payment problems people are screaming about on Reddit, the complete corporate anonymity, and this fake customer support.
It paints a pretty clear picture.
Yeah. The investigation concludes that Spynger.net is it's highly unreliable. It's a platform you should probably avoid entirely. You're risking your money, and who knows, maybe even your personal info.
And I think it leaves us with a really provocative question to think about. I mean, given this total lack of basic identifiers, no founders, no social media, no real support, what metrics should you, the user, actually prioritize when you're trying to decide if you can trust any anonymous online platform that's offering a really high-stakes service like this?
That's a great question to end on. Something to really think about next time you see one of those too good to be true offers.